must have been, like, pretty damaged. We didn't shoot it that much. It just fucking exploded.
I don't know, I mean, we might have just gotten lucky. How many, I wasn't even concerned that I was hitting it. I was pretty much just spraying and praying. I couldn't really see through the dust.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish I was there. I picked the wrong. I'm never not going to be in the Vodnik again. Like, every time we've been in a vehicle that's not the Vodnik, we've crashed into something and blew off.
How long have you guys had the Vodnik?
We had it once before for a while, and then, we recently had it for like a very short amount of time. And then, I see a truck here.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's missing one tire, I don't know.
You want me to get in there? Oh, wow.
Check it out.
You got the room in your inventory?
Just check if it's like got a red engine, then I would say just leave it, but...
No, it's got, orange wheel. The hole is red, but, it's green engine, green fuel. And the one, two wheels?
I'm gonna grab a scrap metal.
No,
It's your call if you want it. I would throw a smoke grenade if you want to try and repair it.
Yeah, I mean, I might. Although, I'm kind of deathly afraid of blowing up, but I think it might be worth it to have this vehicle.
Let's see if I have a smoke grenade.
I got one. With it. Oh, God. There's so many, though. Fuck.
Yeah, let me, I'll do it. Just keep kind of running around in a circle and I'll do it. It'll be easier. So you don't stop to throw it and get absolutely raped. Where'd you go, smoke grenade?
I got it.
Okay.
I'm about to get raped, though. Oh, no, I'm fine.
Oh, my smoke grenade pooped out the back again.
Oh shit.
Fuck, I threw a grenade, but... Oh, you got it.
I'm gonna get in. Good luck, guys.
How did you not die?
You know what, fuck this, I don't wanna hang out here and, I think it's a bad idea. We are at the Northwest Airfield.
Right, I'm gonna grab a tire then. That's all it needs.
Somebody's just gonna come and spank us.
Alright, hold on, let me...
That might work.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
We doing it?
Yeah.
Hey, can you get the tire? I can't fit it in my inventory.
I... Get in... Okay, hold on. I'm in.
Take it
Yeah. Fuck. I need to take, can't use any of this shit. I can
You know,
take
I might have